ordered us to make salawat on a Prophet. So to make Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala happy with us, and His angels happy with us, and His Prophet happy with us, is by doing salawat. Excessive salawat, not limited salawat. In every moment you do salawat. I know people who sit day and night making millions and millions of salawat. What do you think about these people, that they are millions of salawat, especially today on the net now? They want to say we have to reach 1 million salawat in the month of Rabi'ul Awwal. Anyone reading that salawat will get millions on his sahifa, on his notebook, because he is sharing with them. Social media is making you to share with other people. Use it in the good way, not use it in the bad way. When you say salawat with the others that they are doing 1 million salawat, for example, some group of people, they say, join us, we are going to do 1 million salawat. You will be benefiting as if you have said it 1 million by yourself.
فؤاد شغوف إلى